Hey everybody, my name is Matt and I'm with Hilton's Computer Repair, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install some pretty cool fonts that you could use for Microsoft Word and a bunch of other programs like that. The fonts in Word are cool, but sometimes we want to add our own personal style into it. For example, I'm a huge Dragon Ball Z fan, so for example I'm going to show you guys how to install the Dragon Ball Z font for Microsoft Word. So basically what we're going to do is open up your favorite browser. For all intents and purposes, I'm just going to use Internet Explorer. Go ahead and open that up. And you're going to go ahead and go into Google. So go to the search bar, type in google.com. And before I do anything, I'm going to go ahead and exit this because this is already bothering me. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to type in the search bar, Dragon Ball Z font download. These downloads are extremely free, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. This is a pretty good site right here, dafont.com. They have a bunch of cool different fonts that you guys could search up and download. And I'll probably put a link in the description below for you guys to check it out. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in here. There's a nifty little download bar right here next to it. So go ahead and click download. And right here, it's going to say, do you want to open or save the zip file? It's going to be a zip file, so you guys are going to need either WinRAR or 7-zip in order to extract this. So we're just going to go ahead and open it. And here we go. 7-zip is already linked, and we have 3 different fonts right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one, and all I have to do is just press install. Go ahead and exit out of this, exit out of that. You could either minimize this or exit out. So you're going to go to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office 2013, or whatever version you have, and go into Word. It should open up, go into a blank document, and go ahead and type in anything you want, and I'll just type in Dragon Ball. Oops. Just for the purpose of the font. Okay, now, you gotta remember what the name of the font was called. In this case, it was called Saiyan something, like Saiyan Sans or something like that. I can't really pronounce it. So we're gonna go all the way to the S's. And here it is. Now, sometimes the font will be kind of small, so you have to extend it up a little bit. And there we go. You now have the Dragon Ball Z font in Windows, basically. You could also use this in PowerPoint or basically any other type of word processing program that you got. These particular fonts can also be used in pretty much any other type of app that allows you to change the font and all that good stuff. But one thing that I want to let you guys know is this font is installed in your computer. So say you're typing up something, right? I don't know, like maybe like a little report or something for fun. And if you want to show it to somebody like in another computer, you won't be able to because you still have to install the font in their computer. So basically, in a nutshell, it's going to work on your computer only, but not on theirs unless they have the font installed. Other than that, they're not going to be able to see it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Hilton's Computer Repair on YouTube.